So, what do you think? The first Big Mac in 10 years. Little regular beverage. I'm kind of liking the french fries. Can you get me some ketchup? I can get up and get it myself. Thanks, babe. Oh, tired from the drive. Thank you. This packet ketchup's yucky. I think I'll try the one from the pump. I'll get it. You stay here and enjoy. Little cups, ketchup all over the place. Yeah, you're right. I like them better when they're hot, also. McDonald's fries don't last too long. They get yucky when they're old. They brought you those drinks. You can't even pour your own anymore and get another one. Times change. Looks pretty good. Oh, this is that Monopoly game? I remember that from a million years ago. Yeah. You used to get like a piece of paper that was like a board. Now they want you to do everything online on the app. I guess they expect everyone to have a phone. Wow. That's weird. No instant win, huh? This was like more than $20 too, right? Yeah. I know what you mean. mm. Right. Yeah, it's good. Check out my game piece. Maybe you'll win something. Hey, I won some food, huh? What did I win? What? I have to go to an app. They just don't tell you like they used to. You used to just win an item and bring it to the people. They give you the food. I got to check back in 2 weeks on the computer. Too difficult for me. I don't have all day to be going down that rabbit hole. I guess if you don't have a phone, you just starve. I remember like a million years ago. Who knows how long it's been? Could have been 30, 40 years ago. I don't know. But I was at this mall and they said, I'll pay you cash if you come to this group and tell us what you think of this new product. And the new product, yeah, the new product was a cell phone. And they were saying, would you pay $15.10 a minute a month? And I said, I think I only spent like maybe 10 cents in the phone booth this month to call home. Why would I spend more on a phone? And then they said, would you spend this amount? And they kept on lowering it. I go, no, you don't understand. Yeah, that's what I said. I said, I only spent like 25 cents. And they said, just pay this guy and let him go. I thought it was the weirdest idea in the world. You know, it might have caught on. Right. I know it was bad enough having like a pager. Work used to be able to find me. Before the pager, I would just make up stuff. They'd say, "It took you 5 hours to deliver that." Yeah. And should only have taken 2 hours. And I'd be like, "Oh, I had a flat. Sorry, I didn't have no change to make a phone call to tell you." Now, I don't know what happens if you're a driver. They got like GPS in the car. They're figuring out exactly where you are. You can't hide. Can't make up anything. They know exactly. Ah, sounds like you should get paid triple. Yeah, I'm glad you liked it, babe. It's like a treat. We never get this. McDonald's. Huh. Maybe it'll catch on. Who knows? Really little bad hamburgers. Could be a new thing everybody wants. I know. Burgers back in the day, they used to be giant, like on a grill. Who thinks smaller little ones would be more popular? And a milkshake made out of chemicals. Forget putting ice cream in it. Yeah, this stuff's like a powder. Mmm. Fresh, never frozen. I seen this online for more money. That's why I definitely buy it from Off the Hook Seafood now. Little flippy. Made some lomi lomi salmon. It's a Hawaii favorite. Cut a little piece off. Got onions and tomatoes and salt. You eat that raw. Did it the last time I bought this from these guys. Eat the whole pound raw. This is just a little corner now. I'm not really in the mood for raw salmon, but it was so good before. And like I said, a Hawaiian favorite. Big piece. I'm just going to cut it down the middle. Be plenty for us too. Remember, if you want to play chef and cook for someone you love, Make sure you do all the dishes. Clean sinks. Oh, I got this habanero pepper. I wanted Thai peppers, but they were so hard to find. I couldn't find any, but I did find these. So I'm going to try them, even though I don't really like them. The red Thai peppers. Ah, that's the ticket. Ooh, cut in half. Little milk, little garlic, little cornstarch. Make a little bit of a sauce. Brussels sprouts. Make sure you get the ones from the USA. Don't get the fresh ones from Mexico unless you can't help it. I like to overcook Brussels sprouts. I like them kind of mushy. Don't judge me. Ooh, Italian rum cake. Yeah, found this one in Grand Forks.
Italian rum cake. It's a special cake that I would get for my birthday every year.
It's a winner.
Mm, it is more than a winner.
Check out this moose on the loose that we seen on the way home. Beauty. I was telling a friend where it was, and I seen it tonight, and he goes, "Where is it? I have a moose license. I'll go shoot it." I'm like, yeah, it's it's in Cucamonga Mongo Cuco. Make a laugh down Duka Duka. Oh, here's some fresh live clams I got from Off the Hook Seafood. Yummy. I think I'm gonna steam them another night, like tomorrow, because they're alive. I want to eat them soon, but I'm not gonna eat them raw this time. Two red snapper, whole, fresh, and yummy. Bought this 2 weeks ago too when Off the Hook Seafood was in town, and it was so good. I was surprised. My wife ate it, and I cooked it with the head on. She loved it. So I got two this time instead of one. Just gonna stick it in the oven. Here's that lomi lomi salmon. I have to say, I took a couple bites, but I wanted to sear it. I didn't want to eat it raw. It's weird because I ate it raw last time, like I said, the whole pile of it. But for me, lomi lomi salmon, even when I was in Hawaii, when you eat it once and you get a lot of it, you're kind of done with it for, I don't know, 6 months or so.